Have you ever wondered what's behind the symbols and logos that surround us? What meaning do they hide? What stories do they tell us? On this channel, we invite you to discover the stories behind the symbols and logos that surround us. From the most famous to the most unknown, we will tell you the story of how they were created, what they mean, and why they are so important in our culture. So don't miss this opportunity to discover the stories behind symbols and logos. Subscribe to receive notifications of new videos. We are excited to share these stories with you. The origin of the symbol of the Ukrainian flag, two-color resistance.
The Ukrainian flag, a simple yet powerful combination of blue and yellow, has a rich history that reflects the nation's struggles, aspirations, and identity. Delving into its origin shows a journey of resilience and unity amid turmoil. The blue and yellow colors have been associated with Ukraine since as early as the 12th century, during the rule of the Principality of Galicia-Volhynia. However, the contemporary design has its roots in the flags used during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. These colors are deeply symbolic and were chosen for their representation of the clear blue skies and the abundant wheat fields that cover the vast Ukrainian landscape, symbolizing peace and prosperity. The journey to the official adoption of the flag was anything but straightforward. During the revolutionary movements of the early 20th century, particularly with the Ukrainian People's Republic of 1917 to 1921, the blue and yellow flag became emblematic of the desire for independence. This was a period of significant upheaval as Ukraine tried to navigate the tumultuous post-World War I era and the collapse of empire dominance. Yet, with the Soviet Union asserting power in the region, the flag and its colors became symbols of resistance rather than recognition. In the Soviet era, the blue and yellow flag was banned. It was an emblem of dissent against the Soviet control, constantly connecting the Ukrainian national consciousness with its historical past and future hopes. Despite the suppression, Ukrainians continued to secretly celebrate their national identity. They secretly displayed the flag, fueling a spirit of defiance which would play a crucial role in the fight for independence. The momentous fall of the Soviet Union in 1991 marked a new dawn for Ukraine. Embracing sovereignty, Ukrainians reinstated the blue and yellow flag to wave freely over their newly independent nation. Readopted on August 23, 1991, the flag symbolized a victory for national identity and freedom. The colors reaffirmed the natural beauty of Ukraine and its indomitable spirit amidst adversaries. Today, the Ukrainian flag is a token of resilience and unity. It waves proudly, not only within Ukraine, but around the world, where Ukrainians find themselves advocating for their country's sovereignty and identity. In times of peace, as well as in periods of strife, the flag remains a steadfast symbol of hope, liberty, and resistance against oppression. Understanding the symbol of the Ukrainian flag is not just about recognizing a country's national banner, but appreciating a deeper narrative of resistance and resilience. This two-color combination vividly illustrates Ukraine's relentless quest for identity and sovereignty, making it a poignant element in the tapestry of the nation's history. Its story continues to inspire and instill a sense of pride and unity among Ukrainians and admirers worldwide, ensuring that the blue and yellow colors are synonymous with a spirited pursuit of freedom.